Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. She's Hamna and I am Umama, and today we're gonna make a ladybug. Then let's start. First we're gonna make the circle. Around the big circle, okay, Hamna? Okay. Are you done? Yeah. Let me finish my circle. Like this, Hamna. Good. Then we're gonna make the line on the sides, over here and over here. And we're gonna make the face like the upside view. Like this. Then the eyes, one circle over here and one circle over here and a dot over here and a dot over here even. Then the mouth. Is a smiley, my sister? Yes, it is. Then we're gonna make a line up in the sun, like a curvy line like that, and a curvy line like that, and a dot over here, and a dot over here. Then we're gonna do the finishing for her wings. A circle over here, and a circle over here, and a circle over here, and a circle over here, like this. Okay, now we've done our ladybird. Now we're just coloring. Yes, Hamna. We're gonna do the red on the circle. My favorite color is red too. Not mine is. My favorite color is pink. Okay, Hamna. So big circle. Now I'm done with coloring. Happy eyelids for you. Okay, Hamna. Now let's do the black on the face. My doll is at this castle. Okay, Hamna. Let's make the circles now. give a try in your home. There's a line is my all video. Thanks